everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set destination in DiDi application. To set up a destination on DiDi app, the first thing to do is to launch open DiDi app, of course, on your mobile device. Make sure to log into your account as well. Soon after you see the Enable Location Services option, tap on the Enable in Settings and turn on the location access and set up to while using the app, always, or next time when I share. Select any one option and enable your precise location by toggling on the button right next to precise location. If you want to enter your location manually, tap on the Enter Location Manually option from the pop-up. Enter the pickup point or simply tap on Pin your location on map and select your location by dropping the pin available on the screen. Once you do that, tap on Set Pickup Point. Right where it says Where to, enter your destination. Set up a destination that you'd like to go and type down the address in the text box. You can also go ahead and tap on Pin your location on map and select your location where you'd like to go to. Simply drop the pin to your desired location and click on Set Destination. Soon after you do that, you will be able to set up a destination in the DiDi application. After you are done, you can review your details to ensure they are correct and confirm the destination. And once the destination is set, the app will calculate the route and provide you with navigation instructions to reach your destination. So that is how you can easily set up destination in DiDi application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.